I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Isn't
there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?
I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Chestnuts roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering
Okay, and we're back. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So Jameka, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a vlog. Okay, so in this vlog I'm just going to be showing y'all a Christmas production. Like I'm going to have a little play thing, Christmas thing, and I want to show y'all the getting ready process and some of the clips from the showing. Again, to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure to get me to 890 subscribers straight. That's it. That's all I want. That's all I want. So first, obviously, I have to get ready. I have to brush my teeth, wash my face, go in the tub, and all those jazz. And yeah, I gotta fix my hair, and I'm gonna just hurry up do my hair real quick because that'll be the longest process ever. So I'm just gonna fix my hair real quick, and y'all can enjoy it. So I'm gonna have something doing it. If I talk too fast to y'all, I apologize, but like I got like 45 minutes, so we gotta get this going.
roasting, Jack Frost nipping at your nose. So I'm offering this simple phrase. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you.
Guys, I am completely ready. I just need earrings because I can't find my earrings for some reason, but I'm wearing this blue shirt. You can't really see it like that because it's off the shoulder. I have to get a jacket and some blue jeans. Y'all saw it before. So it's not really crazy. So we're about to head out. I just want y'all to see how I look, cute as ever. And I want my braids to get done. So y'all just, it's either y'all gonna see the road or like selfies of me during the ride because the place is like coming down in the south. It shouldn't be a far ride.
Hear the people laughing. Every hear the people laughing, smiling, being happy. I wish that every day of the year could have the love that we feel. ride in a one-horse open carriage. Bring them bells, bring them bells. Jesus, how much it call me care? Was she know what Michael too? Lord, have mercy, the boys. I gotta put on my boys to stick on tonight. Michael, Gabe, and who?
That means you wanna be a rapper, just sit up and jumping all over the place.
Hey, Kenny ain't woman. I need Kenny them to come down here, right?
Kenny ain't on God.
She been taking me from the all night. Kenny on woman. They say you got to fish fry, but me and you, we gonna make up later with Kenny.
You got to
I didn't talk the rest of the boys, make us see them with this nigga named Gabe, man, in the room, like. I ain't dealing with that no more.
You and
I
you,
ain't
man.
with that Marsha. Let's go, get him out.
You all set for the heat, you Virgin Mary?
You telling me with some dude named Gabe come in the room and he had big wings? You think with red allergies now? How he get wings and who is nigga and you in the bedroom and he coming out? I never been in your bedroom and you let me touch what happened? What going on? What going on? I never been in your bedroom. You think I succumb or something?
What she's trying to say is, Mary had to let down my feet and fight the devil. And I didn't Mary had to let Jews all over the
I'm still trying to figure out what the lamb got to do.
Okay, you're right. Look like y'all. Look like y'all. Me too.